Hello everyone, Aapka Namaste, welcome to Soham Healer's World. So this is going to be a general reading for Geminis for the month of May 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of May. And before beginning, I just want to say thank you to all the people who have given their love and support to my channel, to all the subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So let's begin with the reading. Alright, so Geminis, the monthly energy for you has come out to be this one, that is the Six of Pentacles. So I can see here that you have been a generous person. This card can mean two different things actually, so you take whatever resonates with you. The first thing is basically you have been a very generous person and you have supported everybody. You have helped people in their lives, especially financially. But when now you want help and you need them, you need some kind of help, you are in the need, so they are not able to help you out. So this is the first meaning of the card. The another meaning can be maybe people close to you, they need help, you can help but you refuse to help due to whatever reasons. So these are the two meanings. You can take whatever resonates with you. The first week cards here are Nine of Swords, the Magician reversed, and Judgment reversed. So I see here you being tensed, you being tensed about whatever has happened in past, and you don't want the same thing to repeat in future. So that is why you are very tensed. Maybe you are not able to sleep, some negative thoughts come to your mind, and maybe you, if there is some kind of a court case going on, you can be worried about that particular thing, or whatever you had planned, whatever you had thought, whatever skills you have, whatever you try to do, basically it backfired. It did not happen in the same in that way that you were expecting it to be. So that is why maybe you were worried, and you might feel that God is not being fair, life is not fair. So that kind of thoughts can come to your mind in the first week of May. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the regular updates. Yeah, the second week cards are Nine of Cups reversed, Justice reversed, and Seven of Cups reversed. So again, I see here you being very emotional, going through an emotional turmoil, and I see that you have got Judgment card in reverse, and you have also got the Justice card in reverse. So both cards are, as you can see, Judgment and Justice. You might have this feeling that justice is not being served. God is not fair. Whatever you expected, you might have invested emotionally somewhere and you're not getting the same result. That kind of feelings you can go through. You might feel that you are alone. You might go through some negative feelings. There is some kind of a court case going on. The result might not be in your favor. That is. The third week cards are the High Priestess, Five of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords reversed. So I am also getting a little emotional because these are such heavy energies right now, and my throat is getting all dry. Geminis, do whatever I'm feeling right now. That is why I'm telling you this thing. Do take care of your health in this particular month, because there could be some worries regarding your health also. So you have to be careful for your health, especially in the third week of May. I see here getting a little worried about your health. You might end up spending. On your health or your spouse's health. So, keep some finances with you, keep some money with you for the not so good times in future. Though I see these kind of feelings, but I see you being very strong as well. So that's a good thing that, you are a strong person. And I don't know why I see this, but maybe you are hiding something from other people. Maybe you are hiding about this health issue from other people. If you are doing that thing and then thinking that they're not helping you, or they don't you are alone and they're not there for you, then that is wrong. I think you should go and tell them. Maybe they are not aware of it, and that is why they're not able to help you. So moving towards the fourth week, the cards are King of Pentacles reversed, the Chariot, and King of Cups, Knight of Cups reversed. So here I see again things will happen rapidly, in a very fast pace, where you will be going through this emotional turmoil, not feeling good. You will be, you might end up spending a lot of money on health issues, and things will be happening very fast. And you can also end up having conflict with some people that will make you feel more low. I would just say, if you're hiding about anything, it's better that you tell your loved ones, because you have to be strong at this particular time. That's what I can say. So that's about it, Gemini. Still, if you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment box for the daily and the personalized reading. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much.